Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see some string method. Okay, so our next topic is string methods. So generally there are a lot of string methods, but the most commonly we are going to use or see is that lower, upper, count, join, title, capitalize, find and replace. Okay, these are the method which we are going to see. So if you are going to call this method, we will use a dot operator. Okay, so without any delay, let open our id. Okay, and we will see one by one method. See, first is lower method. Convert the string to lowercase. Means whatever strings will be written. Okay, for example, I am writing apple. Okay, so it will going to convert the apple into all apple. Okay, even if you are writing apple, it's going to get converted into lowercase. All character will be converted into lowercase. Okay, so let without delay, and it's same as uppercase. All the lowercase character is going to be get converted into uppercase. So without any delay, let open our id. Okay, if you don't have, you can download it from python.org. Go to new and for file section. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to create one variable. Inside that variable, I'm going to store some string. Okay, let hi, how are you? Okay, so this is my string which I will store into str. So first we will see that first method called lower. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to use print. Okay, so that I can see whether all are getting converted into lower or not. Okay, see, I am making h also, I am making it a also capital, and I am making it y also capital, so that it will be clear. Understand? So write that variable name is str, and if you want whatever method you want to call, put dot operator, and I am going to mask lower, 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 lower method. Okay, now just control s met.py. Okay, py is extension. So now what I'm going to run this one. See, hi, how are you? All that uppercase letter is got converted into lowercase. Okay, now see, I want to convert same thing into uppercase. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm print it, and I will call that using that method upper method. Okay, now control s and run it. Okay, now see, all that lowercase is got converted into uppercase. Okay, after that we have a method called count. Okay, we want to count how many times any substring appear in a main string. Okay, count the occurrence of a substring. Okay, for example, hi, how are you? And I am writing again dot, are you happy? Okay, so I am going to check here, control c, control v, in string dot operator count. Okay, count, I am going to check that substring means are. See, it is a count is a uppercase. If you are writing are, then it will come only find this. Mean if you are writing small a, then it will only find this are. Okay, so make sure, well, whenever you are finding anything, make sure uppercase and lowercase. Okay, so control s, now run this one. See how many times r appear here, are 1 and 2. What happen if I will check for a? Okay, are, now see, save and run this one. See, 0, are not appear any single time, because here a is capital, here a is capital, so it is case sensitive. So while you are finding anything. Okay, so now after that count, we have a join our list of string into string with a separators. Already I have shown you all these things. Okay, how we can perform a join operation. For understanding the join, you can see my previous video. Okay, Now next thing is title. Title, what it's going to capitalize the first letter of every word. Okay. Now see here, all words are what? I am going to make it H R. So what they are saying, it's going to capitalize every word. Okay. So I am going to save it, and I am going to again I am going to, sorry, let me control and copy paste. I am going to use the title. Okay. So title is a method. Okay. Title, yeah. Title is a method which is change the all the word of a string into capital one. Okay. So save. Now run this one. See here, hi, how are you? Are you happy? You can check that of every word first letter is capital. Okay. Next method is capitalizer. Capitalizer, what is going to capitalize only the first letter of a string. Is going to capitalize only the first letter of a string. Okay. Now what I am going to do, print str dot, I am going to call capitalize method, and I am going to close this one. Okay. Now save it and run this one. See, hi, it's now only what doing, it's capitalizing the first letter of a string. Okay, hi, and other things all the first letter are small. Okay, so this is what capitalizing do. Find, return the first index of a substring or zero if not found. Okay, return the first index of sub and substring or first in the not found. Okay, so let use the keyword called find. Okay, so I am going to just here control C and control V, instead of count I am going to write here find. Okay, I am going to write here find and save this one and run now. See what they are saying, that R is found at which index value? At 7. You see 1, 2 space will be counted as 1, 3 character, 4 character, 5 character, 6 character, 7 character. Okay, see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. R is at syntax value 7, means of this first index, see 1. Okay, what is written here? Okay, return the first index of a substring. What is our substring is R. So what it returning? R is at a first string. Okay, R is at 7 position. That's why it's returning what? 7. Okay. Now if you want to what it's written, okay, or -1 if not found. If no substring will found, then it will return the -1. Okay, for example, we can check that whether it's anything is there, that I'm going to write here Python, 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 and control S. Now run this one. Okay, again run this one. See what it returning here, -1, means this substring Python is not found in this string. Okay, so last but not okay, again replace and old and new. So what you have to do, just control C, control V. Okay, string, I am going to use the keyword method call method replace. Okay, now what you want to replace? Old thing. Okay, first you have to write the, as per syntax you have to write the old thing. Suppose you want to write hi, how are you? Okay, how are you, and I want to replace it by any name. Okay, so hi, how are you, Rabi? Okay, now check after running this one, save whether it's getting replaced or not. So see what you are getting, hi, how are you, Rabi, are you happy? Okay, so like this there are various method which you can execute. Okay, string methods. So I hope you have understood this lectures. If you have any doubt, please comment, I will reply on that. Please like and subscribe. Thank you and have a good day.